It's International Hot and Spicy Food Day, so we're heating things up today with a hot and spicy dish and a drink too.
That's right. Registered dietitian Adrienne Raimo with One Bite Wellness is here with a couple of flavorful recipes. They smell delicious.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, we can smell the salsa already.
Everybody can smell.
I know, it smells really good. It'll wake you up. But you have something else here that kind of unusual to put spice in coffee.
Oh, it'll be really delicious. And it's a great way to start your day with plenty of energy and just to warm you up before you even get up to your warmed car, hopefully.
And is it true that adding spice to your diet kind of gets your metabolism going or makes it
especially
work a little
things
faster?
like cayenne pepper. So what we can do is add in your choice of milk. I'm using some homemade almond milk.
Oh, wow.
It's about 1.5 cups. And what you'll do beforehand is start making your coffee, which I would make in the mocha pot. You can use the almond milk, or you can use coconut milk or cow's milk, whichever one you prefer. And then I throw in some anise pods. They're really kind of beautiful little flowers.
I've never known what it looks like, but that's what it looks like.
Yeah, they're really pretty. And then the cinnamon sticks, which of course cinnamon's been known to help with blood sugar control. So you start heating that up. I'm going to add some cayenne. This is what's really going to spice up this
a little
morning.
bit of cayenne.
So this is a 1/4 teaspoon. And then of course some black pepper. That also can help your metabolism get it going. So this is about 1 teaspoon. And then one of my favorites, dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Throw that in there. And then what you do is
you want me to mix it up?
Yeah, you just start mixing it up, and then it heats up very nicely. It takes about the same amount of time that the mocha pot takes, so 2 of them done. The end product you get is pretty delicious. You can also add in some extras. Vanilla bean extract would be really good, and you can make your own pumpkin spice.
Oh, that's
Which is
such a
also
good
pretty
idea.
cool.
All right, I'm going to try this because Jeff Booth doesn't drink coffee, so this is all for
Smells
me.
good, though.
But you do salsa.
I was doing the salsa off camera. Anyway.
I promised you he wouldn't dance, but there he is.
How did you make your own almond milk real fast? Like, that's amazing.
Okay, you just soak some almonds for a couple of hours, and then you throw them into a high-speed blender with some water. Throw it through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer, and then what you get at the end is the milk.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty
All right, so what do we have here then?
Spicy Cowgirl Salsa. The onions
like
made
the
me
name
cry
of it.
last night, but there's a red onion in here, some bell pepper, jalapeno, salsa, you just throw in this, and a can of black beans, or you can cook them from scratch. And some extra additions can be some fresh sliced avocado, a squeeze of lime, and also some cilantro, which is really good too. Very, very fantastic. It could be a meal or mostly a snack. And then what I have down here at the end, because it's International Hot and Spicy Day, I really wanted to make some wonderful Indian food. So this is Navratna korma, homemade. It has cashews and pistachios, tomato sauce, homemade tomato sauce, and we use plenty of different herbs and spices. So there's cumin in there, which can help prevent gas. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory. And then we also have the curry powder. And then if you don't have enough time to cook something for an hour like that, you can also use Tandoor Chef. There's what I like about them is that they use all pronounceable ingredients and plenty of good spices for your health as well.
Okay, and you could add more of your own spices if you want. Make it your own, just to use that as a base.
And then you put some jasmine rice. Sometimes I'll throw some saffron in there or some turmeric too. Cloves even. Cook that all up and then use that on top. It's very easy and very fast.
These are great ideas. I'm definitely going to try this coffee one. Just to add a little spice to it. I think it'll wake you up a little bit more.
And keeps you warm. Just like that cayenne pepper in your socks idea.
Oh, yeah, exactly. That is so true.
I did learn something new. I didn't realize that spicy food gets your metabolism going. You know, I mean, spicy food's delicious. You know?
Jeff is going to start gnawing on jalapenos all morning long.
It's all about the Frank's Red Hot. I put that stuff on everything.
Good.